Welcome everyone, Bobby 2 Pounds Breaks. It is Saturday, January the 30th, and we're breaking Bumbox full-size helmets. We randomed up our, 14 remaining box numbers. Drew a blank there for a minute. Yes, sir, 14 remaining box numbers. We got box number 4. We did random teams for it on the left. We've already randomized teams, customers, alphabetized everybody. Gave y'all a chance to trade. Just double checking my chats right now. Make sure nothing got okayed. Alright, Dad, I'm not seeing anything. I'm not seeing anything as well, MW, so here we go. Wow. Well, guys, gonna be one of our bigger boys finally here tonight. Bam! Going to be the Minnesota slot again, folks. That's our second Minnesota hit of the night. That seems to be how it's been happening the last couple series. We're pulling all the damn double teams on one night there. Gonna be the random mods, has the straight cash, homie, Eclipse, authentic, everybody, Beckett sticker, Beckett card on that baby. Wow, that's going to be Bradley. Believe it or not, I think that's Bradley's second one of those, guys. I'm pretty sure he hit the one either last series or the series before. Kyle, he will be back next series, but like I said, I've actually got Moss for the next couple series. So next series should be a camo, actually. And then I'll have a Eclipse back after that, so I've still got a few Mosses. Also, like I said, next series going to have that really nice F7 Adrian Peterson that I showed you guys yesterday. One, two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 times. Bam. Well, Bradley going to double up, and that is going to be our other qualifier. That is 59 and 60. We're 30 boxes into our series. We've only got 13 boxes left, but we've still got some very nice hits out there for you guys. So Breakers.tv, YouTube, Facebook, click the follow and subscribe buttons. Join the Facebook group if you have not. Y'all have a good night.